Hi guys, my name is Harris and I'm going to show you my collector's album. So I'm going to name these characters first, and it's the 2019 season. So we got Sergio Ramos, Cristiano Ronaldo, Kevin De Bruyne, Robert and Lionel Messi. We've got AFC Bournemouth, Arsenal, Brighton Hove Albion, Manchester City, Chelsea, Cardiff City, Manchester United. We've got Crystal Palace. We've got Tottenham. We've got Leicester. We've got Watford. We've got I think we got Wolverhampton Wanderers. Yeah. Then Newcastle United. Fulham. Liverpool, Southampton, West Ham United, Burnley with Huddersfield Town, and one impact signing and 5-star signings. And these are the badges from the old season packets, 2017-18 season. We got man of the matches, one old season, which is Glenn Wellen, Rising Stars, limited editions, and this is our elite attackers. Includes a superstar limited edition, which is the international star in Joshua Guaya, and all the rest of the old season. That's it. Bye bye guys, and subscribe to the channel because it's really good. And the next video I'm gonna make is can we get a hero pack and a multi-pack. Like, it's a mega multi-pack. So subscribe to the channel and you subscribe it.